Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is February 5th, Thursday. So, what's going on? Forexfactory.com calendar. You can see here that we've got 10 a.m. We've got the JOLTS job openings coming out at 10 a.m. Try to say that 5 times fast. JOLTS job openings. That's a hard one. 10:30, we have natural gas storage. 10:50 a.m. we have FOMC member Bostic speaking. And that is it for the day. So yeah, there you have it. Is what it is. So not a whole lot going on, but obviously the jobs are going to be the big deal today at 10 a.m. Moving on, looking at the daily chart, you can see that we are gapping down substantially below yesterday's low, and this would be the third day down. Remember, the market loves threes, fives, sevens, and 12s. So threes would be very common. Would not be surprised to see this be a down day. Where could we go? We've got a high volume node that's really close to these lows from a couple of weeks ago, around the 6828 area. Low volume node right around 6800. At 6800 is a big deal. I think we break below that, it gets really ugly. On the top side, we've got some resistance around 6860. We'll call it 6870. And there is obviously lots of resistance on the way back up. So yeah, volume was pretty heavy yesterday, above average. On down days, that's not a good sign. So when we have increasing volume on down days, it means that there's more and more people are getting rid of stuff. And if we look at the up days, the big volume days have mostly been down days. So on the down days, we have confirmation volume. On the up days, we have crappy volume, non-confirmation. So there you have it there. Looking at the overnight, or I should say the inventory. Inventory was positive again on down price action. Gotta love those buy the dip people that come in, in the afternoon and buy this thing up. So there again, we've talked about this so much. Eventually, the buy the dip folks will get burned, and it will be an ugly burn, a very, very ugly burn. Looking at the overnight action, yes, 79 points, so way, way above average for volatility overnight. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 71.4% chance the market will be up. So, yeah, we got definitely some conflicting pieces of information. That being said, what is support? So support is down here, 6850. We just tagged it. 6840. Let's say 6812. Where's the whole number? 6800 is a big number. We get below that, it gets kind of ugly. 6780, 6760. Resistance, on the other hand, we do have some price resistance around 69.10ish to 69.15. There's a little band there that's pretty intensive there for resistance. Above that, we've got the overnight high 69.35, 69.50-ish. There's a decent amount of confluence around 69.65. Of course, the 7,000 number has always been a number we should watch. So there you have support and resistance. Hope you have a great day. Remember, subscribe and like. Hope you have a good day. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels and trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.